The Interface Transformation Carpet Tile is one of the most popular and best-selling carpet tiles here at dctuk.com. Why? Well, I'm going to tell you now. Inspired by autumn leaves on the ground, the Interface Transformation has many different colours within the single carpet tile. The completely random design allows you to lay these carpet tiles any which way you like, thus then creating a unique flooring design. This carpet tile is super hard wearing, so it's perfect for our commercial customers and perfect for spaces such as receptions and hallways, just somewhere where there's heavy footfall, as this carpet tile will not let you down. Now, the most interesting point about this carpet tile is the colour and how it's designed. The Interface Transformation comes in 23 different colourways, and with it having a completely random design, you can lay it down any which way, as said before, which then creates less wastage. So because you can lay these carpet tiles down any way you like, it means there'll be less wastage, meaning less for you to buy. So the Interface Transformation is going to save you time and money. I mean, what more could you want in a carpet tile? So if you're wanting a unique carpet tile with a design like no other, then the Interface Transformation is for you. The Interface Transformation carpet tiles are the ideal choice for you if you're wanting super long lasting and hard wearing but not compromising on style and design. Now, if you're wanting to book fitting for the Interface Transformation, then remember we offer a nationwide fitting service on dctuk.com, and all you do is go online and fill out the form, and it's that simple. Our fitters normally complete the job in just one day, obviously depending on the size of the space, but most jobs are completed very quickly, and almost all of our clients give us a rating of 5 stars and excellent. So why wouldn't you choose us? Just go online and look at the reviews and see for yourself. Now, if we look up close at this carpet tile, you can see just how many different shades of green, beiges and blacks this carpet tile has within. This carpet tile is in shade Pasture, which is one of my favourites of the collection. So we can see there's dark greens, light greens, there's some beiges and blacks in there as well. So if you wanted to place any other carpet tiles with it, it would blend seamlessly. Remember, there's no particular way you have to lay this carpet tile. Each carpet tile has their own unique design, so you'll get a completely unique flooring plan once laid down. So if you like the look of what I've told you today, then don't forget you can order your free samples on dctuk.com. But if you can't wait, then get shopping the Interface Transformation today.